Hello everybody, just going to be a quick one today. We've got the lad back, so I'm just going to do something nice and simple, something I got from Aldi, the local. Let me show you. I've got some of these fajita stir fry strips and a Hoisin Stir Fry strips, £2.79 from Aldi. I've never had them before, so I thought let's make a wrap. Why not? Nice and simple, no seasoning, it's all seasoned apparently. So we can have a look, can't we, and have a taste and see what's what. And I got a couple of hot dips as well. Salsa dips, hot one, and a sour cream. So with these, this one is a pork strips in a punchy sweet paprika and chilli marinade with a hint of citrus. That's that one. There's the nutrition if you want to have yourselves a look. Turn it round. Something nice and simple. Shouldn't take long to fry up these. 10 minutes, stir frequently. Nice and simple. So look at the hoisin one. Chunks of pork in honey, garlic and ginger marinade with a hint of savoury onion. And there's the nutrition on this one. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. We'll have yourselves a quick look. There we go. So nice and simple then. So I'm just heating my pans up. As I got the two because I've got the two different ones. You probably can't see it all in together. What I'll do is probably put one in there and put that to the back and then swap it over so you can see the other one. That's what I'll probably do. Just heating the oil up, tablespoon of oil. Get all that hot. Okay, so I'll put the fajita one in the black pan. I'll open it up. Let me have a quick smell of it first, actually. There it is, if you can see it. You get quite a lot, don't you? For the price, I think. Oh, and it does smell very... Doesn't really smell of fajita that much. It smells of... I'm trying to think what it smells of. What was in it? Citrus, yeah, I can smell citrus. That's what it is. Anyway, let's get it in. Break this one up. Then all we're doing is frying them, ain't we? That's all we're doing for 10 minutes till they're cooked. I'll put that one over there a minute just so you can see this one. And the hoisin one. There's that one. Smell that one. Oh, that one smells nice. Oh, that smells really nice, that one. Oh, yeah. You get this one in. And we'll mash this one up. And what I'll do, guys, I'll just keep turning them and cooking them until they're done. Okay guys, it smells absolutely gorgeous in this kitchen, it really does. Now there is a couple of bits of gristle in which I've noticed as I've been stirring, and I thought it was done, but there was one or two little pieces that wasn't, obviously because of different sizes, so just be careful when you cook it, make sure it's cooked. But there is a few pieces of gristle, but hey, they're all in the taste, innit? So I'm going to get them out, eh? As you can see, I've just done some lettuce and tomato. You can do whatever you want. You can do peppers and that if you want. I'm not. Something nice and simple today. And there's the hoisin one. I'm going to put that in this bowl. You get quite a lot, look. It's going to make a few little wrap salads, isn't it? Yeah. And I will move that one to the side. Then we'll get another bowl, and here is the fajita one. Probably see a couple of bits of gristle, look. This one seems to have a lot more gristle. But hey, it's budget cheap food, ain't it? So, but don't they look nice together? Nice cheap meal there. I'll put them to the side. Now I'm just gonna toast me wraps in my griddle. Just for a couple of seconds, that's all. Now you could even put your wrap in the pan, fill it up there and fold it, couldn't you? And there's the wrap. Lovely. And what I've done, I've just, these are the younger lads, he's just had one of each, but with cheese in the middle. He's having no salad on his. I'm just going to fry them up just at the bottom there. Okay, there's his. Done. Doesn't matter how the wrap does it, look nice. And I'll get on with doing the rest of the wraps. Okay, what the wraps are doing, we'll set these up as we go. Bit of lettuce there. Bit of fajita on this one. I'm not sure whether Nat and the lad, the older lad, will have any because they've just come back from Subway. I went to Subway. I don't do Subway, so not for me. There's one. Oh, look at that crunch. Delicious. Bit of sauce in there, bit of dip. What a way, ain't ya? There's one. I'll make theirs up. Right guys, I've given everybody theirs, so I'm just going to show you mine at the end here. Got to get one more wrapping. And I've already done 6, so this will be 8. We had one each of each, and there's loads left. So I'll get some lettuce on mine in the middle. I'll get some fajita on this one. No one's had any sauce. I think Nat's having some in a minute, ain't you, Bab?
I just have some on the side of my plate when you finish.
Which one do you want?
The normal one, please. Not
The sour, not the white, not the thingy one. Well, I'll put some hot sauce on this one then. And then you can have it, if you can open it. I'll put a bit of sauce on this one then. There's that one. Oh. Nat can have that one now. Dropped it all on the floor. There's that one. Looking quite nice. Oops. And now the next one should be done. And there is the last one. Turn that off. Some lettuce. Hoisin on this one. I just tried a bit of that fajitas. A little bit of spice on there. Oh dear. Could have done some more tomatoes. Yeah, tomato in. And we'll get some sour cream on this one. There you go, nice and cheap and cheerful. And there is that one. Nice crunch there as well, look at them. Right, I'll see if I can get it on the table because we've got the lads washing everywhere. I do apologise about that light there. I've got no room on the table because I've done all the lads washing and everything and it's going back tomorrow. So the table's full of washing, it's all got to be packed. Well, there we go. I could have put a bit more meat and there's loads of meat left I could have made. Well, let me show you. Got that one, love. So you probably get another 2 out of that one. And same there. So I've done 8, so you probably get 10 out of that. With them 2. What do you think of it?
I like the first one, but I haven't tried the second one. First one was nice.
First one was nice.
I think it was a hoi.
This is the Vegeta one. You probably can't see. Let's have a go anyway.
That sauce was hot.
Huh? That sauce is hot.
I picked up the wrong one. Is one of them hoisin sauce?
One's hoisin.
I think I'll just add that one because I recognise the taste. And the other one's fajita.
They're not bad, are
They're very right actually.
Could have put a bit of cheese on. They'll add the cheese, but not for me. Today, nice and simple. And they are quite nice.
I prefer the hoisin sauce.
You prefer the hoisin? Let me go and try that one, mate. Let's try the hoisin one. If I can grab it anywhere. Yeah, I think I'll do it as well.
I prefer the hoisin.
I prefer the hoisin as well. But they're both nice. Yeah, well there we go. All in all, say just a quick one, guys. Well worth getting £2.79 and convenient. With a wrap, a bit of salad. Or throw some peppers in if you want to. And do some peppers. But apart from that.
I like how you've done that.
You like how I've done the wrap?
My words out of my mouth.
Like I've done the wrap, made it a bit crunchier. Nicer, innit? But all in all, yeah. I don't think we've even done a thumbnail, so I don't know, I have to get one off the plate now, I've had some. But yeah, there they are. Hoisin and fajita. All the lads' army stuff, look, with stuff and everything everywhere.
It's only half of it.
It's only a bit of it.
Yeah, a bit.
You've been away, he's been away on camp. When he was in the army, he's been away like 2 weeks, isn't it? Army battle camp. He's come back and everything stinks, doesn't it? So everything's been washed. And he's going back tomorrow, so there'll be no video tomorrow. But I'm going to go live Monday, last day of the month. Probably just a chat with the tasty coins and that. You know what I mean? So see who wins it and whatever. So until then, I am the old food guy. See you later. Bye-bye. Worth getting. Nice and cheap. You can buy both and have 2 different days or, you know, whatever. See you later.